Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos step by step. That's what our channel's motto is. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Directv account step by step. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Directv login and click on the first link over here, satellite TV and streaming service Directv. Now, this might take a couple of time to load up. Now, while it's loading up, let me tell you guys what Directv is. So for all of you new people, you will understand what Directv is. So Directv is an American multi-channel video program distributor based on Elsink Audio, California, originally launched in June 17, 1994. So it's basically a broadcasting channel. It's like a TV service or like a news reporting channel, all right? And basically its primary service is a digital satellite service serving in United States, which means they have a digital satellite which serves for United States, which means they broadcast their programs through satellite. All right, so just keep that in mind. Now our website over here has loaded up. Now in order to log in into your account, once you come over here, just click on sign in and click on where it says account overview. Once you go on account overview, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can log in into it. As you guys can see, login screen just appears over here. Now wait for some time until it loads up. Once it loads up, you just need to enter your user ID over here and enter your password over here. And just if you want to tick mark save user ID, you can do this. What happens when you tick mark this is basically your user ID is going to be saved over here. So every time you come over here, you don't have to enter your user ID. You can just enter your passport. This makes logging in into Directv much easier. All right. So click on sign in, and if the user ID and password you entered is correct, you should be able to log in into your Directv account. And if you want to create one, you can always click on create one in order to create yourself a new Directv account. And if you forgot your user ID, click on forgot user ID over here. If you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password in order to recover your password as well. All right. And if you want to sign in without paying, you can click on pay without signing in as well. So just keep that in mind. I don't know what this feature is. I haven't dived in depth in it, so I don't know much about it, but it simply says pays without signing in. So it must be what it means. All right. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Bye bye.